Welcome back to Share Market Basics to Advanced. So far, we've talked about how the stock market works, how stocks are valued, and how fear and greed drive short-term moves. Today, we're talking about something every successful investor swears by: long-term investing. This is how ordinary people, not Wall Street insiders, build real wealth over time. Long-term investing simply means buying good companies or funds and holding them for years, even decades. Instead of trying to time every up and down, you let time and compound growth do the heavy lifting. It's the opposite of short-term trading. Instead of worrying about daily price moves, you focus on steady progress. Many beginners think they can buy at the bottom and sell at the top. But here's the truth: even professionals rarely get timing right consistently. If you miss just a few of the best days in the market, your returns can drop dramatically. Staying invested matters more than perfect timing. There's a saying, time in the market beats timing the market, and it's absolutely true. Albert Einstein called compounding the eighth wonder of the world. Here's why. If you invest $100 a month with an average 8% return, in 30 years you'll have over $140,000, even though you only contributed $36,000. The growth comes from your gains earning more gains. This is why the earlier you start, the better. Even small amounts grow into big numbers if you give them enough time. Invest in index funds or ETFs. They give you instant diversification. Reinvest your dividends. Don't take the cash out, let it grow. Stick to a consistent schedule. Dollar-cost averaging helps you avoid emotional decisions. Ignore short-term noise. Headlines come and go, strong businesses keep growing. Review, don't react. Check your portfolio periodically, not daily. Long-term investing isn't flashy, but it works. By staying patient and disciplined, you can ride out market swings and let compounding build your wealth quietly in the background. In our next video, we'll cover how to actually pick your first investment step by step. If you're finding this series helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a plan for financial freedom. This is Fortunes Forward, guiding you from beginner to confident investor.